Hello everyone, Sam is here from creativetrading.system.com, making this quick video about pound Aussie entry that I just took and I posted on the Telegram. Here you can see I posted here February 12th, GA may give a short, and this is the one I took, and this is the entry I'm showing, and this is what is going live right now. So this was the entry when it was here, start to turn. So my setup has to be there in order to open the trade, and my setup has four conditions, right? So all four has to be met before I open the trade. So I did that, and then before I opened the trade, or at the time of opening the trade, I posted on the Telegram as well, and I open it. So now it is here, and I'm making this video to show that how you manage the trade, right? So now, for if you look at this live right now, it is here, right? It's dropping. Um, okay, from the entry to current position here, how many pips it is right now? 35 pips, right? 35, 36 pips. So for a lot of people will think that, yeah, they are enough, pipage for the day and this and that. But you see, most of my trades are like 80 pip, 90 pip, 100, 120 pip, right? Why is that, and what is the reason? The reason is that, see, this indicator shows the daily range, means each and every pair has a daily range, its own. And what that means is that the pair move from top to bottom in within 24 hours, a certain amount of pip most of the time. So this average daily range, 60-day daily range for this pair is 127. Friday, it posted 110, right? So now current day range, you can see that is 59. It's starting from where? So it's starting at the top of today. See this white dotted line? This is the daily range. So like this one here. From here to here is 1 day, right? From 24 hours. So now here you can see that this is the starting day starting. So this is the top. So I'm going to see that how much around like 127 comes where, right? So let's take a look right here, right? And then 127 is somewhere here. Just before that, you can see that this is pivot S2, right? Very strong level. So the first S1 is this, S2 is this. Even S1, if you take from here to see how many pivots, 54 pip. That's more than enough for some people, right? But not for me, because I look at the daily range and then I'm gonna hold on to it at least until this S2, which is very common to reach. These pairs will do that. For example, here, when it started here and then it came down all the way here. How many pips from the top to bottom? So this was the top, and then at the bottom, you can see it did 110. That is showing on the indicator. So at least for 100 pip drop from the top, right? So I'm looking for S2, no big deal, right? Or maybe I'll close a little bit before that. But let's see. But this is what I'm showing, that this is how I hold my trade based on this. Some pairs I have right now, like pound Nuzi, as a 150 pip trade, daily range, sorry, right? So if you catch the early entry like this one, you can hold on to it for 120, 130 pip trade, right? And especially when you have a strong news or a big moving day like Thursday, right? Then you want to hold your trade for the maximum amount of pippage. Do not close too early. Even though I'm positive here, maybe 40 pip right now, but I'm not going to close it. I'm sitting on break even, no risk at all. If it goes back, fine, thank you. I have several other, few other running right now, including gold short. So, yeah, if you make 4 or 5 entries and if even two survive, right? That's it. That's all you need. So just wanted to show you guys, share with you, and then this is what's happening. This is I post on the Telegram when it was here, the white line right here, 93.41, right, and it's coming down nice and clean. So let's see how far I go. Before I close the trade, I will record the chart and then I post on the Telegram and on my website, and I'll show it on my next video that this is how I held it and how far I held it and how far I got it. Unfortunately, Euro Aussie didn't give me the entry. I have to have the entry, proper entry with 4 conditions in Euro Aussie, even though it's dropping, but yellow line was above the black, so I didn't take it. Even though I knew that it's gonna drop, but you have to follow your rule. If you break the rule, the market will break it. Simple as that, right? I learned my lesson the hard way, so I don't want to mess around with this market. Play by the rule. SL hit, fine, thank you very much. If not, this is how I'm going to hold on to it and then see how far I go towards the daily range. All right, so this is it for now. Thanks for watching. And by the way, the reason just wanted to show something else, that why I took the short confidently, is because this chart I made over the weekend and I gave it to my subscribers. I made the chart, new charts for all the pairs and the templates and indices and gold and oil and indexes, everything over this weekend, right? And according to this, you can see that this, if you pull the fib from here to here, the 50%, 23%, after that, usually it goes to 88%. Why? Because of this pattern, this harmonic pattern called bat. This is how it finishes. The first pullback is anywhere from 38 to 50. Most of the time it's 50. Then C point, usually, ideally, it should be around 23% line. And after that, if it makes the turn, it goes, take out this low first, and then all the way here. So my first target would be here. If we break that, maybe next week, and then all the way to the downside. That's how it is. Yeah, slowly but surely it's going down, right? So when I close the trade, I'll post again on the website and the telegrams for you to see that this is how I manage the trade for the maximum amount of pippage. All right. So bye for now and talk to you guys later. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel so you can get my videos as quick as possible.